Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am to show you how to separate first name and last name. Let's go to my PC and see how can I do this. Welcome to my computer screen. Today I show you how to separate first name and last name in the different column in Google Sheet and Excel sheet. So for this I show you the Google tricks first. First I mark the column, then go to data, then click split text to column, then select space. You can see first name and last name in different column. In the fifth row you can see there is 3 column: first name, middle name and third name. Same as Excel sheet, you can see in the Excel sheet same as first name last name in the same column. I want to separate this in different column. For this I select the column, then go to the data, then text to column, then select default setting, then go to next, and here you can click the space column, then go to the next and then finish. You can see this first name last name same as first name middle name and last name. Just simple. If you want to learn new tricks, comment below so that I can give you the suggestion how to do easily. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.